today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on Shopify notifications, a crucial step in staying updated with your store's activities and ensuring smooth operations. We're living in a fast-paced world where every second counts, especially in the e-commerce industry. Having notifications activated allows you to stay informed about new orders, customer messages, and more, right when they happen, helping you respond swiftly to any changes or issues. First, you'll want to log into your Shopify admin account. Open your preferred web browser and enter Shopify's URL in the address bar. Once you're on the home page, type your credentials into the login fields, the email associated with your Shopify account, and your password. Hitting the login button will take you straight to your admin dashboard. Once you're logged in, take a look at the menu on the left-hand side of your screen. Here you'll find various options, but go ahead and click on Settings. Within the Settings menu, you'll encounter a plethora of choices that allow you to customize your store's back-end operations. We're going to select Notifications. This is your hub for managing how and when you receive updates relating to your store's activities. In the Notifications section, you'll see different types of notifications that Shopify can send you. Typically, these are categorized by email and SMS notifications. For email notifications, you can adjust settings so that you receive messages about orders, abandoned checkouts, and more. To turn on any notifications you deem necessary, you simply need to ensure that the toggle button next to each option is switched on, which will be indicated by a change in color or position. It's advisable to keep notifications turned on for key activities like orders and shipping updates so you're always in the loop. If you wish to receive text message alerts, you can set this up by entering your phone number in the designated field. Shopify will then send you a code to verify your number, which adds an extra layer of security. Once verified, you can decide what SMS notifications you'd like to receive by, again, using the toggle options. Remember, managing notifications isn't just about activation, it's also about finding a balance so you're not overwhelmed with information. It might be useful to periodically review which notifications you're signed up for and consider whether they're adding value to your management process or simply creating unnecessary noise. Once your settings are tailored to your needs, rest assured, you're all set. Notifications will start coming through according to your specifications, and you'll be better equipped to manage and grow your Shopify store proactively. I hope this video has helped you gain a clearer understanding of how to activate and manage Shopify notifications, empowering you to stay on top of your business activities efficiently.